Lord Shiva does not know anything. He is not attached to material world. That's why when he does some mistake also Krishna not angry. But when Brahma giving some mistake, Krishna is angry. When Shiva does that mistake, but not angry. Why? If some Shiva devotee asking something, immediately telling Tathastu. Because otherwise he will disturb him. Shiva always chanting Harinam, Ramanam. So when any devotee asking anything, Tathastu, take and go. So he is giving Tathastu. By giving, problem is coming. Like he gave the boon to Brukasra. Then he created problem for Shiva again. He wanted to kill. But still Krishna did not angry and Shiva. And told him, when giving the boon, be careful little. Only told, by joking and laughing. But when Brahma doing mistake, becoming angry, not talking at all. Why? Brahma's post is higher and he is thinking here and there, better material things more. But Shiva always meditating to Radha Krishna. So Radha Krishna's eightfold pastime, Shiva is remembering with Parvati always. So when Lord Krishna was going to do rasa dance, then Shiva came to know. So he wanted to see. So he came here from Kailas. When he came here, he was trying to enter, then Gopis, maid servant of Radharani, they stopped. No, here you cannot enter. Shiva asked why? Because in rasa dance only male is Krishna. No single male can enter. All female. Only male is Krishna. But you are male, so you cannot enter. But Shiva fixed the mind that anyhow I will see. So he is not ready to return. Then what to do? He wanted to know. Then how I can enter? Then they asked to Gopis and Radharani and Krishna. Then what to do? Then Radharani and others told that Radharani that time also did not, she is inside. But other Gopis who were at the entrance, they said, we have to ask to Purnamasi Jogaya what to do. Then they convinced Shiva that you have to worship Purnamasi and Jogaya. Then you will be qualified to enter. Then Lord Shiva worshipped Purnamasi. Then Purnamasi said, yes, now you can go and take bath inside Brahmakunda. Brahmakunda we saw, today also saw, and yesterday we saw, day before yesterday. So Purnamasi told, you go and enter inside Brahmakunda. When Purnamasi told, then Shiva went to take bath inside Brahmakunda. Jogamaya took and told to you go inside. Then he went inside and came out of the Brahmakunda. Then she became very Kishori Gopi, means young Gopi. When she became young Gopi, then Purnamasi brought, okay, now you come, but now you cannot go inside. Because for going inside you need training. Shiva has no training. Now he changed the body only, became Gopi. So Purnamasi told, you come and sit at the corner, that is Aishanya Kono. The place we saw, the Gopi Samath, in the Bansivata, in that corner, that is Aishanya Kono, the corner. Like east, west, north, south, then every two direction there is one corner. So that is Ishan. There are four corners, Yasana, Nairita, Vaivya, Agni. So that is Aishanya. The name is Aishanya corner. So Purnamasi said, now you stay here, and staying here you can watch Rasta, but you don't go inside. So now Shiva is there in Gopi form. We saw there. So Purnamasi brought and told, you stand there, don't go inside. So from there Shiva is watching the Rasa dance. When she was watching, other Gopis, Radharani, Krishna, they felt today Rasa dance has no taste, no bliss coming. So what is the problem? Today no normal, because other days we were getting happiness and bliss. But today why you are not getting bliss? What is the problem? Is there anything happened here? Then all Gopis, they were trying to see. They were searching everyone, each corner of the residence and Bansivato. When they saw Shiva was there with Gopi form, then Gopi said, "Oh, who are you? Who are you? Who are you? What is your native place? What is the name of your village? Then who is your husband? Which village is your father-in-law's village?" But Shiva does not know this because Katain did not tell anything. So now Shiva is unable to only listening and thinking what to do because he does not know. Because to participate in Rasa dance, one had to take birth from Gopi's body. But Shiva did not take birth from Gopi's body. And Shiva did not marry to any Gopo. So Purnamasi did not tell all this. Just brought from Brahmakunda became Gopi. But she does not know now who is husband, because did not marry. And what he did, Purnamasi did not give the name to her also. So now Shiva could not reply. When Shiva could not reply, only looking, only listening, then Gopi started like
Slap.
punching,
Not slap, no?
No, punch.
Hard, yes.
punching and doing like this, all different.
Why?
Which Gopi wanted to, which kind of, all there. Like when any thief in the street is caught, in India especially, in Western country different rule, but in India they don't follow that. If a robber is caught, first street people will beat. First street people, after that they will hand over to police. But before coming police, they will beat. But whoever want, how they can beat. Now Shiva's condition became same. So all Gopis, one who was punching, who was doing like this, they did. So then Shiva's cheek became swelling. What to do? Then it became very big crowd and talking. Then Krishna and Radharani asked, what did happen? Then all Gopis told, you see, she came from where, we don't know, and she wanted to enter in residence, so we caught her. Then, who brought here? Then he said, I don't know, but Purnamasi brought me. Then asked Purnamasi, then Purnamasi came. Yes, I told to stand there, to watch. But why you did not give the name, nothing? Oh, I did not do this. But I authorized it to stay, so don't beat. When Purnamasi is very senior most and controlling all Gopis, etc., she is senior most. When Purnamasi told that she authorized it, beating stopped. No more beating anymore. Beating stopped. But then told, then you have to wait here. Now you have to watch. Then when you will train, then only you can enter. But you did not go through the process. So you have to marry. Then you have to, before? You will have particular name.
Siddha Pranali.
Siddha Pranali. Then you will have husband. Then only you can come to Ras dance. So now what did happen? Only you watch here due to permission of Purnamasi. That's why till now you see in the corner standing.
Still there.
Yeah, and now to get all the qualification, now he is nearby. He got one place. That's why Gopishwara Mahadev is that temple. But he needs more training. And then during dancing, when allowed also, his dancing was not perfect because not proper training. So then Krishna and Radharani saw, oh, your dancing is not perfect, so now you cannot. Because rasa dance is the highest dance, highest rasa, rasanam samuha rasa, where all rasas are present. So to participate in rasa dance, you should be very qualified. But now your rhythm, your dancing posture is not perfect. Because all gopis, they were dancing differently and Shiva is dancing differently. So it is breaking the rhythm and breaking the melody, breaking the rasa. So
He is not Nataraj.
Tandavanritya is
Nataraj
doing.
is Tandava, not rasa. He is famous for Tandava. Tandava dance is different.
Oh, different dance.
Yeah, this is the rasa dance is different.
Cross there, like this.
So he can dance in Tandava dance,
Okay.
but not rasa dance.
Okay.
That's why then Krishna said, okay, all gopis they already pounced many, so big spelling. So don't beat anymore, don't beat. Then he said, "Oh Bhole Baba, he could have Krishna could have able to know. Bhole Baba, now you have no sufficient training, so now go and take training. Then after training you will come and participate." So now Krishna ordered him. When Krishna became Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, then this Gopishwara Mahadev became Advaita Acharya.
Oh, that's why.
Then Gopishwara Mahadev became Advaita Acharya. There he danced with Mahaprabhu. So Mahaprabhu's Sankirtana is equal to Ras dance.
Jai Ho.
Yes. So now Advaita Lord Shiva, Gopishwara Mahadev danced in the form of